6 Best Air Fryers in India. In this video I show you the 6 best air fryers in India available to buy. 6. American Micronic 3.2-liter air fryer review. The 3.2-liter air fryer from American Micronic is a unique product which makes crisp, delicious fried food with little or no oil. This air fryer makes use of rapid hot air convection cooking technology and can reach an in-house temperature of 200 C and evenly scatters hot air around the entire unit to ensure all food is cooked evenly throughout. You can create everything from the delicious cakes to tasty fried chicken with the American Micronic air fryer, and the product is rated 5 stars by more than 40 users at Amazon. The build quality of the American Micronic air fryer is very good and impressive, and you can control the timer and prepare the food exactly as you want. 5. Prestige PAF 3.0 air fryer review. The Prestige PAF 3.0 air fryer is rated 5 stars by more than 400 users. Coming to the design, the build quality of the Prestige air fryer is excellent and the looks are cute. This air fryer has a capacity of 2.2 liters, and it comes with a detachable bowl which has a non-stick coating, so food items don't get cemented to it. 4. Havells Profile Plus 4L air Fryerl review. If you are looking for an air fryer that has a larger cooking capacity, you can opt for the Havells Profile Plus 4L air fryer. The Havells air fryer comes with a 4-liter container size, and the air frying basket also comes with a separator so you can cook multiple food items concurrently. With the unique rapid air technology, the Havells air fryer lets you bake, grill, toast, fry and reheat the food with the hot air. The air fryer comes with an innovative air filtration system that drains out the most offensive odors, giving you a clean and odorless kitchen. 3. Pigeon Super 3.2L air fryer review. Pigeon Super 3.2L is one of the best air fryers in India that is priced under Rs. 5,000. The Pigeon Super air fryer is compact, and the design of the product looks great. This air fryer uses rapid air technology that lessens the usage of the oil by scattering the hot air around the grill component. The Pigeon Super 3.2L looks larger than its rivals and comes with 2-year manufacturer warranty. The air fryer includes a pan, basket, and fryer's tray. This air fryer is splendid for roasting chicken, sausages, and other meat products. Once the food is cooked, there will be no fat, all you have is a toasted piece of crispy meat. This air fryer smashes the myth that the tasty food is not healthy. Winking face. 2. Kenstar Aster 1500 Watt Oxy Fryer review. Avoiding the fried food is not an easy task. Winking face say thanks to the air fryers and the advanced oil-free frying. Now we can enjoy a wide variety of dishes in low calories and without any guilt. The Kenstar Oxy Fryer uses a very simplistic yet innovative mechanism to fry the food without oil. The Oxy Fryer comes with a powerful fan that circulates air in the food basket, leading the air to heat up faster. Also, the interior lines of the food basket contribute to airflow by swirling it, which heats up the food in the basket from all corners simultaneously. Some of you might think that cooking in the air fryer impacts the nutritional value of the food. In fact, cooking in the Oxy Fryer has no influence on the nutrition value of the food. The food container of the Oxy Fryer has a 3-liter capacity. The frying basket has a special coating, and it should be soaked in hot water with liquid detergent and has to be cleaned with a soft material. You can also use a baking tin inside the food basket for cooking the food. Please note that the Oxy Fryer should be placed on a flat surface only. Also, do not turn the timer in the anti-clockwise direction forcibly during cooking. 1. Philips Viva Collection HD 9220 Air Fryer Review. Easy cleaning, wattage, and capacity, size, and settings, taste of the output, food and temperature control are some of the factors that we should consider when selecting an air fryer. We have compiled the list of best air fryers based on the above features, user ratings, and price. Philips Viva Collection HD 9220 Air Fryer. Check price at Amazon. Philips HD 922,020 Air Fryer. Without any second thought, I can say that the Philips Viva Collection HD 9220 is the best air fryer in India. This product comes with rapid air technology that enables you to fry, roast, grill and bake chips, chicken, seafood, and many other food items. Since the Philips air fryer uses very little or no oil, the food is freed from fat and is much reliable when compared with a normal fryer. This Philips air fryer is a one-stop destination for healthy and delicious cooking. The cooking capacity of this air fryer is 0.8 kilograms, which is enough for the most basic cooking needs. The design of the air fryer consolidates fast circulating superheated air, starfish design and optimal roasting profile that allows you to fry a variety of delicious meals in a fast and healthier approach. The build quality of the Philips air fryer is sturdy, the knob and the grip are pretty solid too. This Philips air fryer comes with an integrated timer that enables you to preset heating time of up to 30 minutes. You can also preset the best cooking temperature for chicken, meat, fries, tiki kebabs, snacks and all varieties of food. Just spray a little bit of oil or butter so that the food doesn't cling to the tray. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this video.